Hello everyone, today we will deal with inserting picture and shapes in PowerPoint. Using picture, you can communicate this information in attractive way to audience. You can insert picture, clip art, album, shapes, chart in the same way you have done in MS Word. To insert picture in PowerPoint, first click on the Insert Picture command in the illustration group on the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, here illustration group and you have Picture command. Click on that Picture command. Here your picture dialog box will appear. Select the desired picture. From here you will select the picture you want to insert and click on Insert button. Here your picture will inserted. To resize a picture, select the picture, click one of the corner resizing handle. You will see your cursor will turn into a cross and you can resize your picture. From here you can resize your picture. To modify a picture, when you select a picture tool format, here you will see a format tab will appear on the ribbon. To apply a picture style, select this picture. Here you will select this picture by clicking on this picture. Select the format tab and scroll over each picture style to see a live preview. Here you will see there are different picture styles. Click on picture style and you will see live preview here. So you can change picture styles from here. You will see there are different picture styles. To modify a border to a picture, same steps. Select a picture by clicking on the picture, select the format tab and click the picture border button and select a color. Here you will see in picture border button there are different color. Choose the desired color and click on that color. Your picture border will apply. So in the same way you can adjust here brightness to a picture, here contrast, recolor a picture. Here you can change color to a picture. Compress picture, if you want to compress the picture from here you can compress picture. From here you can change your picture. From here you can reset your picture. Next is picture shapes. From here you can change shape of a picture. There are different shape. You can choose the desired shape and your picture shape will be changed. Next, same picture border. Choose the desired color, your picture border will change. Next, picture effect. From here you can apply different effect to the picture. Preset effect, shadow effect, reflection effect, glow effect. In glow there are glow variation, different glow variation. Choose the desired variation and effects will be applied to picture. Same, bring to front. If you want to come this picture in front of another picture, then click on bring to front. Send to back. If you want to send this picture back to another picture, then click on send to back picture. Then selection pane. If you want to select this picture, then click on selection pane. Alignment, align left, align center, align right, align top, align middle, align bottom. So you can set alignment of a picture from here. If you want to do left, right, center, top, middle, bottom. Crop picture. If you want to crop picture, then click on crop. From here you will see your picture can be cropped. You can crop your picture. Next is height and width. You can resize your picture by changing dimension here in height and width dialog box. For example, here first height is 3.08. Change this value and same change width of picture from here. You will see your picture is resized. So you can insert picture and you can modify picture from the format tab. Same way you inserted picture, in the same way you can insert clip art in PowerPoint. Clip art contains a wide variety of pictures, photograph, video clips that are ready for you to insert and use in presentation. First, click on the slide where you want to insert clip art. For example, you want to insert clip art in slide number 2. Then click on slide number 2. Then click the clip art button in the illustration group on the insert tab. Here on the insert tab you will see here illustration group and you have clip art button. Click on clip art button. Then enter the keyword in the search field that are related to image you wish to insert. For example, we want to insert clip art for computer keyword. Then enter computer keyword here and click on go button. A list of clip art images related to search item are displayed. You will see clip art images for computer keywords are shown here. Choose the desired clip art image. You will see here clip art will be inserted. All the tools that can be used to modify a picture can also be used to modify a clip art image. So you can resize your clip art from here. You will see you can resize. When you will select this clip art image, you will see same format tab will appear and same all option that you can apply to a picture, same all option can be applied to a clip art image. Same brightness, contrast, recolor, complex picture, change picture, reset picture, picture styles, shape, border, effects and crop, rotate, alignment, height, width. In the same way you can modify your clip art image. In the same way you have inserted picture clip art, you can insert shape. You can insert shape from here. To insert shape, click on the slide where you want to insert shapes. For example, we want to insert shapes on slide number 3. Then click on slide number 3. Then on the insert tab on the illustration group, click on shape button. You will see here different type of shape are available. Choose the desired shape. You will see your cursor will change into a plus symbol. Here you can see your cursor is changed into a plus symbol. Then press mouse left button and drag the mouse. Your shape will be inserted into the slide. In the same way you will see here when you select that shape, format tab will appear on the ribbon. All the tools that you have used to modify picture can also be used to modify the shape. The same way from the format tab you will see you can also insert different shape. You can edit this shape. You can change shape styles. You can fill colors in this shape. In the same way you can outline your shape. You can apply different shape effects from here. You can text fill into this shape. You can text outline, text effects. You can set alignment to this shape. You can rotate from here. You will see you can rotate this shape. Rotate right 90 degree. Rotate left 90 degree. Flip vertical. Flip horizontal. You can set alignment of this shape. Alignment left, center, right, top, middle, bottom. From here you can resize your shape. You can set height and width of the shape. So you can insert picture, clip art, shapes, smart art and chart in PowerPoint as you have done in MS Word. Thank you.